Are you gonna keep on rotating it throughout the night?
No, I just want to hide that nasty branch.
Oh. The nasty branch.
I thought all branches we love.
That's a bad one.
Alright, we got too much brown going on. Okay, there you go. Find a good home for you.
Find a good home for it. What about up towards the star? Nobody wants to put anything up there?
Star needs its own shine. Seriously, signs good. This isn't looking too shabby at all. Thank you. Alright.
A lot. How much do we have left?
You can never have too many ornaments.
There are many left on the ground here.
Not that fun.
There should be no green show. That's the point. It's just gonna be all shiny.
I want those leaf things that they have at Porter's. They're like sparkly gold leaves that they put in the tree.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude,
Awesome.
she wants a Christmas present.
No.
Not those things.
I want one of those Asian bamboo trees as a Christmas tree. That'd be awesome.
What kind of Asian bamboo?
Those bamboo things that everyone has for good luck.
Oh, like the ones that they thought I...
Or if I had a bonsai tree as a Christmas tree, that'd be awesome.
Kind of empty over.
Monty, oh my god, that was ridiculous.
Dude,
Wow.
your tree is so pretentious.
Wow.
Seriously.
We
What?
took
What?
out of life. Empty over here. They need some love.
It's empty.
Put some more over there.
Pretty cute.
Where's there a lot of brown? Oh, okay.
You guys are clustering the ornaments.
Yeah, Matt.
Prime real estate.
Yeah, Matt.
All I
That's
did was
enough
those
for it.
twirly things.
Yeah. He's the. All I did was those twirlies.
Ooh, what are we gonna use the scissors for? I'm gonna make a sled again. Oh, that's awesome.
That was my idea.
No, it wasn't. That was my idea, and I had to be secretive about it.
Good idea.
I had to be really secretive about it
Copyright that shit.
until it was made. Until it was like,
Don't worry, I got something secret for this.
okay.
On like Donkey Kong. The situation is about to.
about it for an entire year now.
Yeah, seriously.
You just don't know.
This is Betty Crocker Forums. It's on.
Why are there two lonely pine cones at the bottom?
I didn't have any of the cones today, so. Wow, we have so many twirly things.
Are we using one of those?
I don't know. Is that enough?
There's still green showing. It's not enough.
Yeah, that's over here.
Yeah, there should be no green show.
There should be no green showing.
What's up with these little ones? They get
Is
over.
there anything else?
Oh crap, that one's not.
That's a lot more at the top than the bottom.
Yeah, guys.
It's like loads of-
You guys. There's some space at the bottom.
Seriously.
Like, yeah, right there. I'll hang one.
Alright.
Dude, when we turn the lights on, I'm getting antsy.
We have to,
Seriously, let's do it.
we have to put the star on.
Oh yeah, sorry.
You can put the star
I need your
on.
ass in my face.
Whoa, she gave you permission.
You can put the star on your left.
You give.
Lights are off.
Inaugural.
Lights are off. Well, wait, you need the lights on to put the star on. Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, put the star on.
Ooh.
Power one's on the side. Right. Top one. No. Wait. Top one. No. Time to get serious.
I'm getting ready for this.
Dude, the situation's ready.
Turn it, spin it, twist it.
At the right angle.
What are you doing?
Spinning.
Means like I let you put up the star. God. You put shame.
There you go.
That's backwards. Okay.
He knows.
It's got to face magnetic north.
Oh, there it goes. Break that branch touching the front.
You twist it on? Oh, wow.
Oh.
I think you gotta put some stuff around that springy area.
Can you just push it?
So you don't do you don't do tinsel? You guys don't do tinsel?
No, I don't like the stringy kind. I want a garland.
You should
I
add
don't
new
like it
stuff
'cause
every
it
year.
looks just like, I don't know, messy. I want those leaves. Leaf things.
The what thing?
It's leaning back too much,
Yeah, I know, Matt.
and it's to the side. That's still to the side.
To your right.
To the right. To the right.
Babe, that's like, you're like, more, a lot. No.
No.
Like, it's like this.
Tilt.
It's tilted.
Not turn, tilt.
What did it do?
Bend it the other way.
No, that's the opposite way.
Give him a mouse analogy. Give him a mouse analogy.
There you go.
Oh. Super glue. Super glue.
Can you just break this?
Break it up.
That's fine, but it's probably
Why is that so hard to break?
Scissors.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
What?
Yeah, you need scissors.
Yeah.
You have to
Break it down.
Get scissors.
While we turn on the lights.
Scissors.
Over here. Right there.
Oh.
Oh, it's so small. It's not even that big. And you haven't put any ornaments up there.
Yeah, Matt. Oh no. Oh no. Too aggressive with the chick.
Oh.
Don't shake the star.
Is it because this snubby thing is so big?
Shave it down. Shave it down.
Should we cut that?
Get like a hatchet or something.
How?
Unless you stretch out that far.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's engineering him.
Now you
Yeah. Let's hope no one recognizes your voice on the video. That girl's a lawyer? She said malleable.
Stop it!
Oh,
Uh-oh. This is a really long
dude.
process.
That tree isn't malleable.
I should have put it on.
You want to try?
Oh.
The challenge is on.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Fits like a glove.
Okay, there it is.
Fits like a glove. Dude, it's facing the wrong way. Like,
It won't turn anymore.
Uh-oh. The ornaments are shaking.
Starts being difficult.
Oh.
oh.
Baited.
Oh.
Press it down really hard. Like you just got a mushroom in Mario Brothers.
Can you keep it there and then like move the other thing back? There. Oh yeah. Let it lean. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Light.
Perfect. Oh yep. Yeah. That's awesome. Yep. No. It's fine. It's perfect.
All right.
Good.
We should put the Christmas music on.
Ready?
Da da! Ooh, so pretty.
Fancy.
Matt, the lights look a little sloppy. The lights look a little sloppy, actually.
Darn it.
This part's totally missing.
What?
That's your fault.
You are on that side.
Oh, way to
You're
go.
on that
With the
side.
light.
Dude, you reorganized it,
Way to
dude.
go.
I don't know.
You were supervising, dude.
Way to go, guys.
Yeah, man, let's go.
Kind of not bright enough.
Yeah, I know.
The star needs to light up.
It needs more power.
Oh, now we have
You lit a star.
Yeah, I need the star, yeah.
Not enough
I think you need some dimmers, like spotlights,
Need to light up star.
some ambience.
some ambience.
The bottom looks kind of a little reckless, man.
Did you barcode?
Yeah, seriously, Matt.
Did you put the barcode on there?
No.
Alright,
Ooh, nice.
sounds good.
Alright.
Woo!
There you go.
Yay. Oh!
Ooh.
Dude, that's a bad omen. That's a bad omen.
Ooh.
Dude,
Let's decorate these things.
I'd still rather get a fake tree.
Oh my god.
Tree.